Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. I'm going to take you around and show you what is going on in a North Texas fall garden. I'm also going to give you a quick update on the high tunnel planting. Stay tuned. We are having some very mild weather here in Texas. We've been in the upper 70s every day, and we anticipate that to continue until at least mid next week. So everything seems to be doing fantastic. This is one of my raised beds. You can see my kale is doing great. I have some cabbage. I have some red romaine lettuce. I have some beautiful Swiss chard. I have some red cabbage back here, and more of the red romaine and the winter landis. And my bell peppers, guys, are still producing, still doing really good. Here are my carrots, looking absolutely gorgeous here. I'll be pulling these probably in the next week and go ahead and canning them. We'll eat some fresh, of course, but canning them is the way we're going to try to preserve them. Here is more of that winter landis lettuce, doing great. I got some cabbage in here. So real excited with how my raised beds are doing this fall. So I'm in the high tunnel, and you can see these are also cool weather plants. I did pull up some of my little onions that I showed you last video and transplanted them, and I'll continue doing that in between these. But I did, guys, plant more seed in between all of these plants. I planted some arugula and some more lettuces and some more broccoli. So we are gearing up and hoping to get us a good harvest this fall and winter of all kinds of great veggies. And I want to show you this. Look, guys, I have some summer squash coming up in this high tunnel in a pot. I have about 4 or 5 of these beautiful little plants. I am doing hand pollinating, but there have been a couple of bees out here, so I'm happy to see that. Let's check out my bell peppers. Here are my bell pepper plants. They are doing great. You can see I have some new growth on this one. I'm just so excited to see what we're able to get out of this high tunnel. And this is our jalapeno plant. I'll probably be pulling some of these off of here in the next couple of days, and I'm going to go ahead and make up a jar for my husband. There's a video out there on how to do it. Go check it out. Here is my spinach. You can see that it is coming up really nicely. I'm excited about this, and I am going to plant more. You can see from this high tunnel that I have plenty of room to do some more planting, but we wanted to try to get everything in here that we could, because we were going into a cold front, and we were afraid we were going to hit some freezing temps. We did skirt them, and the high tunnel has been doing very well. So looky here. Here are my turnips, and there are my beets. They are coming up fantastically. And I want to show you something else that's coming up in here that we're going to continue to try to foster. Look, I got some bush beans coming up, guys. Bush beans. So again, this is all a test to see what we can do in here and to learn how this high tunnel is going to work and how to monitor the climate. And right now we are using the raised walls, and you can see it's still 85 degrees in here. So in closing, we're doing pretty good this fall, and we hope you are too. Please leave some comments below and tell me how your fall planting is going and where you're at. I'm interested to know, and I'm eager to know. And for those of you that have high tunnels, please comment below, and any advice that you have for us, we would appreciate it. So this is our update. We'll be in touch with you sometime this weekend, praying for everyone. I hope that you all are doing well, and we appreciate you. If you like this video, hit that like button, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Take care. God bless. Have a great rest of your week.